everyone, it's Lisa here. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resize a seamless pattern brush in Procreate. And this is important if you ever want to adjust the grain size of the brush depending on your canvas and of course the project that you're working on. I'm going to be showing you how to resize one of the paper texture brushes that comes with the Dreamland brush box. And I'll also be showing you how to resize one of the texture brushes as well, which is very handy, especially if you want to use it as an eraser. So I've just finished my artwork and now I want to apply a paper texture on top of this little girl. And I've created a new layer and I've set it to multiply. And coming down to one of the papers, I'm just going to use the most obvious one so that you can see it better on camera. And I've chosen a very similar color to the background, and as I said, I've set it to multiply. And I'm just going to use my pencil just to apply that texture. And if we zoom in, that looks pretty good, but the texture might be a little bit too big for the subject that we've painted. So I just want to adjust that size. So I'm going to undo that. And to adjust the grain of this brush, I'm just going to tap once. Come down to grain and just bring that scale down just a dash and then hit done. And let's give that a go. Yeah, I think that looks a lot better already. Yeah, that looks great. So you can apply that technique to any seamless pattern brush, and the same thing goes for, these are all seamless pattern brushes as well. And I'm going to show you how to adjust these as well. So you can use them as erasers, which are really handy for adding some extra grunge to an area. So I'm just going to turn that layer off, just so that we can see what we're doing. I just want to duplicate that little dress. I don't want to damage my original painting, so I just want to show you how to use it on that particular area. So if we wanted to, for example, add additional grunge to her, I'm using one of the texture brushes just to delete some of that paint, but I think that grain is too large, so I just want to adjust that, and we're going to do exactly the same. I'm going to tap once, come down to grain and bring that texture right down. Oh, that's much better. And zooming in, so that size is more appropriate to this piece. So definitely do experiment with the grain size and adjust it according to your project. Now, if I wanted to reset that brush the way it was when we first bought the brush and downloaded it, we're just going to come back to that brush, tap once, come down to about this brush, and then hit reset brush. And that'll bring it right back to what it was when you first downloaded the brush. I hope that was helpful. Happy creating!